Well, there you are, and there I am. Hi, I'm Lissa Chrysler, and season 7 of Community Storytelling. Let me see a show of hands. Who's been here since season 1? I knew it. I knew it. Oh, we're so happy to be with you today. I'm Lissa Chrysler, and some of you know, some of you don't know. KCAT TV 15 is on the campus of Los Gatos High School, and we have had the privilege of meeting and working with so many of these fabulous Wildcats, and I'm going to introduce you to one right now. Really a special kid. He's about to be a senior, which is a big deal. Class of 2025, Yanis Malhotra. Did I get it all right so far?
That is perfect, yes.
And he's a star wrestler, which I think you can tell just by looking at this big physique of yours. What's your poundage? Is that too personal?
Yeah, I'm a heavyweight right now.
A heavyweight, is that how it goes now?
Yes.
Oh, right.
That's 215 to 285.
And is that as high as you can go in high school?
That is that's the highest class now,
so
yeah.
You made it to the top. Yanis is such a special young man. And I always laugh, a lot of times when I interview people, I look at Facebook to find out a little bit more about them. Yanis, I looked him up on LinkedIn. Yeah, high school senior has his own LinkedIn account because you're quite the everything. You are quite the businessman already.
Yes, thank you.
Tell us about that.
So I started a cooking service business, which, offers many things. The main thing is teaching kids how to cook. So I kind of have like a passion for that. So when I was around 10 years old, I want to say, I loved helping my mom and my grandma in the kitchen so much.
What were your favorite things to cook?
Anything that my mom or my grandma cooked, I'd literally just go in and I'd help them prep. Like my grandma was like, cut onions. I'd be cutting onions. She'd be making Indian food, pasta, pizza. I love pizza nights. Even
my favorite.
Even baking stuff. I love baking stuff as well. Cupcakes, cakes. I made my mom her birthday cake for her 40th birthday. They said it tasted good. I doubt that, but
Okay, so you didn't use the cake? You didn't use Duncan Hines?
No, I didn't use Duncan Hines, and they said it tasted good. I remember it being all right, but the experience, the fun I had with that is really what started my passion for cooking in general. So I really wanted to teach other kids how to cook because I think it's a really important life skill.
I never learned. So
yeah.
Can I come? Can I enroll?
Yeah. I was actually thinking of starting like a mom and kids sort of thing.
Oh.
Or like for Father's Day that's coming up.
Yes.
Like a dad and daughter workshop. That I was thinking something like that, get the parents involved.
So do you do these classes at your house, or are they online?
So I started from my house because like COVID and stuff, it was really hard to get other places to allow you to cook because, it's a hands-on sort of thing. But recently we partnered with LGHS Recreation just down the street.
Sure.
And they have a full facility. So we did a few workshops there. And over the summer, we actually got a contract with Los Gatos High School. So we're going to be doing classes in their kitchen.
At Los Gatos, in the home economics department or something?
Yeah, exactly. In their nice, big industrial kitchen.
Wow.
For 3 weeks.
Are you going to get paid?
Yes, I am
So
going to get paid.
it's a job.
It's a job.
Love
Self-employed.
it. Yeah. That's great. What's your favorite thing to teach kids?
My favorite dish to teach would be, I once made this North African style egg.
Okay.
And I was like, are kids going to like this? Because it has a bunch of veggies in it. But they really enjoyed it. And I really like it too.
Oh my goodness. So before we move on, how do moms and dads sign their kids up for your classes this summer?
So you can go to my website at kidskitchen.org.
Kids Kitchen, it's KIDZ.
KIDZ, exactly, yeah. Or and then that will send you to the LGS Recreation website, or you can just go directly to the LGS Recreation website and you pay through there.
And are they a week camp, 2 weeks?
Yeah, so there's 3 camps and they're all a week long. So, and what we'll be doing is we'll be doing different cuisines. So it's like going to be tour of Asia, tour of Europe, tour of America, so that you get a different sense, like a different palette every single week.
So are we making burgers for America?
Oh, you already know.
Pizza and hamburgers, I'm sold.
Pizza and burgers.
I'm in love. I'm good.
Yeah.
That is great. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Where did you get the oomph to say, okay, I'm a teenager, I'm still in high school, I'm starting my own business?
When I started learning, I was always wishing there was someone like I kind of self-taught myself, right, from YouTube and cooking books. And what I kind of saw was like my sister also, she has like a passion growing. And I'm like, I really want all these kids to have someone to teach them, and someone to hold their hand. It's like something you have to develop, And I really thought just teaching other kids and developing their passion for that's what I wanted to do.
I actually think you were born with it. I think you were
Born
born
with
with this entrepreneurship gene. I do. I mean, you're so well spoken. You're so mature for your age. You probably don't want me to tell you that, right? Because you're still having fun. But you're up there already. And I think you take college classes already.
Yes, I do take a few college classes.
Who are you? I mean, that's amazing.
Thank
So
you
where
so
are you
much.
where are you taking your college classes?
I take them at West Valley and Mission College.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I learned JavaScript. I learned I did some trig. I tried accelerating math, didn't work out that well, but it's fine.
So is it a chef that you want to be?
I actually want to go into business and finance, but I love being a chef. So that's why I wanted to combine the two a little bit. So that's one of the reasons I started my own business. I always like finance as well. I do trade some stocks on the side.
Oh, please
And
stop it.
I just love studying that. It's a passion that I've also had. My dad teaches me a lot. He also does he dabbles in it.
He dabbles, yeah.
So yeah, I wanted to combine the two. Cooking is my passion, but finance is what I want to pursue.
Well, you can have one and the same.
Yeah.
I mean, let's look at some of the big chefs.
Yeah,
they got their own
exactly.
businesses
You're
that
right.
they run. So that's pretty amazing. And I have to mention, I don't know if I saw it on LinkedIn. I must have. I am an ambassador for JW House. Wow. And I see that you have been a volunteer there
Yes.
since I think you were maybe 10 years old.
Yep.
I have to know. So explain what JW House is in your words.
So JW House is a organization that is right next to Kaiser Permanente, actually where I was born, so close to
in Santa Clara.
In Santa Clara, close to home. And so they house people or families that are going through, rough times in the hospital.
Yes, long stays often.
Long stays. They're far away from home, and it's a really, really homely setting. That's what I love about it. Every time I go there, when you're serving food to people, when you're helping people out, just the smile on the faces, that homely setting, it's really beautiful. But yeah, they provide housing for people that are far away from home, and
a respite. If you just want to come in for 2 hours, you need to take a shower.
Yeah.
You need to go in the refrigerator, get a snack.
Exactly. You need a quick refreshment. They're always there for you, and that's what I love about it. Just that sense of home that you can bring to people. I think it's really, really important.
You are an exceptional young man.
Thank you.
And your mom is watching you, and I know she's brimming with pride and joy, as well she should. You are something else. College, you got one more year. Where do you think?
College, oh my God. I'm undecided, honestly. I want to go to so many places right now.
Well, there's many good places to choose from, and I think you'll have no problem getting
Thank you so
to your
much.
first choice. You are wonderful. What a young man, right? I mean, this is just... yes, I'm a mom. When I interview kids like you, I say, oh my goodness, Mom and Dad did well, but you did well.
Thank you.
did well on your own. You're amazing. Los Gatos High School Wildcat class of 2025, Yanis Malhotra, and we expect to maybe see you on TV someday, cooking up a hamburger.
Thank
right?
you so much. Yeah.
Good luck
Maybe
to
one
you.
day.
Maybe one
Yeah.
day, and I'll be your first tester.
Ooh, first
or
tester.
taster, whatever. Yes.
Not if I take a bite first.
You are
I will.
great. Oh my goodness. This is what community storytelling is all about, meeting people who have fabulous stories. And if you have a story to share, or you know somebody who does, please go to kcat.org. And it's so easy to nominate. And since we're talking about KCAT, I must thank our sponsors who have made this season possible. Linda Lester, who's been with us since day one. And this year we had this most generous anonymous donor. And look at this artwork. Have you noticed these pictures? These photos were actually taken by Los Gatton, Glenn Nakazawa, and we had them done into these portraits because this is us. This is Los Gatos. This is KCAT TV 15. Thank you so much. Yanis, good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
And we'll have you back, okay?
Yes.
I'm Lissa Chrysler, and thank you for being with us here at Community Storytelling on KCAT TV 15. We'll see you next time.